This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off JavaScript for the Safari web browser using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my iPhone opened up now. To turn on or off JavaScript for the Safari browser, you want to go into the device's settings. I'm going to tap on Settings. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom, down to where you see Apps, and tap on Apps. Then you want to find Safari. These are in alphabetical orders, so you'll scroll down to the S's. And right here is Safari. I'm going to tap on Safari. Then you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom again. Down to where you see it says Advanced, and tap on Advanced. And right down here, JavaScript. As you can see, by default it should be toggled on, but you could turn it off by tapping on the toggle, or you can turn JavaScript on by enabling it. That is how to turn on or off JavaScript for the Safari web browser. Thanks for watching.